Talla. Again, it's talla. This is an adjective which means different. Again, talla means different. Next word is hajima. Again, it's hajima. This is used to say don't do it or stop doing it. Again, hajima means don't do it. Next word is gajima. Again, it's gajima. This is used to say don't go. Again, gajima means don't go. Orenmania. Again, orenmania. This is used to say long time no see in Korean. And take note that this is an informal way of saying long time no see. Next word is mukbang. Again, it's mukbang. And this is the Korean term for eating broadcast. Again, mukbang means eating broadcast. Next word is sarange. Again, sarange. And this is used to say I love you in Korean. Again, sarange is used to say I love you. Next word is gongbu. Again, it's gongbu. And this is the Korean term for study or studies. Again, gongbu means study. Next word is undong. Again, it's undong. And this is the Korean term for exercise. Again, undong is exercise. Next word is ge. Again, it's ge. And this is a Korean term for dog. Again, ge means dog. Next word is 진짜. Again, it's 진짜. This is used to say really in Korean. Again, 진짜 or 진짜 means really.